So good evening children, welcome to Akshar Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Right, coming to the today's topic, quadratic equations. Already we completed the practice sheet and some problems are remains. Let us check. So first exercise we have, first two problems are completed. Now third one. So if one of the root of the equations ix square minus 2 into 1 plus I into x plus 2 minus I equal to 0 is 2 minus I. So we already discussed that for every quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial having two factors are two roots, two solutions, two zeros, whatever. So roots are nothing but the solutions of one of the solutions of the quadratic equation. Here one of the root is given. One of the root is 2 minus I. And we have to find the other one. So let us check that. By the process we can do or directly, if 2 minus I is a imaginary number or complex number, in the set of complex number or in the form of first part is real part, second one imaginary part. Here 2 is called real part, I is called imaginary part. So simply complex numbers are in the form of A plus IB, where A is called real part and B is called imaginary part. Okay na? Same like 2 minus I is a complex number. Simply we can directly say the answer 2 plus I. Directly we can say the answer 2 plus I. Okay na? Right. Coming to the next question. The value of k so that the sum and the product of roots of this number are equals, it seems. See here, sum product. We have the two roots, sum of roots alpha plus beta minus b by a, alpha into beta c by a. That is product of roots. Here sum and product of the roots are equal, it seems. Sum and product of the roots are equal. So according to the problem, if we take alpha and beta are roots, sum of roots alpha plus beta equals to product of roots alpha into beta. Okay. Alpha plus beta, sum of roots formula what? Minus b by a. Simply minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. Here also c by a. C by a means constant term by x square coefficient. Constant term by x square coefficient. Now check this quadratic equation. 2. X square coefficient is 2, nothing but a value. So simply let us check that, compare the given quadratic equation with the general form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. X square coefficient a equals to 2. X coefficient means this one. So according to the general form, b value is k minus 3. And c, constant term. What is the constant term here? After x term we have 3k minus 1. So constant term is 3k minus 5. Now substitute these values in the given condition. What is the given condition? Sum of roots equals to product of roots. So alpha plus beta is equals to alpha into beta. Sum of roots minus b by a. Product of roots c by a. That implies minus b value k minus 3 by a value is 2. C value is 3k minus 1. Sorry, 3k minus 5. A value 2. Both the denominators are same, we can cancel it. Now it is looking like a simple equation, right? So minus, we have to multiply with minus, minus into k, minus into minus plus 3, that is equals to 3k minus y, 3k minus 5. Bring all the x terms, k terms one side, constants one side. Minus k transpose that side becomes plus k, and minus 5 becomes plus 5. So 5 plus 3, 8. 3k plus k is 4k. Therefore, k is equal to 8 by 4, nothing but 2. So our answer for k is 2. So what is the answer for us? 2 is our answer, third option. Okay? So simply, so while you are reading the question, you should understand what are the conditions are given, what we have to make to equal them, sum of roots, product of roots, and formulas we have written, substitution the given values, just simplification. That's it. Clear? Next one. Yeah. Question number 5. The roots of 3x square plus 4x minus 7 equal to 0. By seeing the question, we should not find the roots. Here, no need to find the roots exactly, because the options are not given the roots as an answer. Conditions are given. Rational and equal, first option. Second option, rational and not equal. Third option, irrational numbers. Fourth option, imaginary numbers. Okay. Now let us see that. For finding the option, we discussed about that parabola. If that touches at two distinct points, two different roots, at same point, both roots are equal. Never touches means not equal, nothing but irrational roots. Okay. Yeah. Now, coming to this topic, we need to discuss about the discriminant first. Discriminant is nothing but delta, right? So delta equals to b square minus 4ac. If you know the delta value or the discriminant value is greater than 0, we have to take rational and not equal. Equals to 0, rational and equal. Less than 0, irrational numbers, not imaginary numbers. Okay, na? Right. Coming to this condition, substitute the values. So I am not writing every time. Compare the given equation with general form ax square plus bx plus c. A value something, b value something, c value something. You have to understand that. Okay. So your b value means nothing but coefficient. Which coefficient? X coefficient. X coefficient is 4. This one. So b square value 4 square minus 4ac. 4 into a into c. A value is 3 and c is nothing but constant. Constant means minus 7. So 4 square, 4 4s are 16. 4 3 is 12. 12 into 7. 84, but here minus into minus becomes plus. Minus into minus becomes plus. So answer is 100 greater than 0. Therefore delta greater than 0 is nothing but rational and distinct roots. So what is our answer? Second one. Rational and not equal. Distinct means different roots, no? Yeah. Just the discriminant we are finding, no need to find the roots here. Okay? Can I go with next one? Yeah. Are any other doubts? Okay. Next one. Sixth question. Equation is given, again quadratic equation, equal roots. What is the condition for equal roots? Three conditions. Delta greater than 0, equal to 0, less than 0. Greater than 0 means rational and different roots, not equal roots. Equal to 0 only we are getting the equal roots. So again we are using the discriminant concept. So delta value 0 according to the condition. Once again. Yeah, delta value is 0. Delta is nothing but discriminant. We know that b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. B value nothing but x coefficient. X coefficient is k. So k square minus 4 into a into c. A value is 9. C value is 1. 9 into 1 equals to 0. That implies 4 9s 36. 36 into 1, 36 only, equal to 0. So minus 36 transpose that side becomes plus 36. Apply square root both sides, then k is equal to plus or minus 6. Or k is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay now? So your answer is, when you apply the square root both sides, you should take both plus or minus symbols. Why we have to take plus or minus symbols? Because minus 6, if you square the minus 6, it will be 36. If you square 6 also 36. So this 36 comes from minus 6 or plus 6. Two options we have. So that's why we are taking plus or minus 6. Okay. So according to this problem, your answer will be plus or minus 6. See here. 6 is the answer, minus 6 is the answer, plus or minus 6. All options we have to check. If you directly take plus 6, your answer will be wrong. Because minus 6 also having the chance. So both combination is the third option. Okay. Shall I continue with the next one? Yeah. Next problem. If 3 plus 4i is one of the root of this equation. What is this equation? X square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Then we should find the values of p and q. Yeah, before going to this solution, let me ask a question. Like third question you are observing, that means today's starting question, 2 plus I is one of the root, or 2 minus I is the one of the root. Then directly second root we are taken as 2 plus I. Now see, 3 plus 4i, it is also in the same combination or same set of numbers. 3 plus 4i is one of the root. So obviously second root is, what is the chance of getting second root? Very good. Second root will be 3 minus 4i. So I am taking first root alpha, second root is beta. So what is the second root, children? Yeah, 3 minus 4i. Okay. So as usual, if you know the roots, sum of roots, product of roots. Sum of roots, alpha plus beta. What is that? Minus b by a. Am I right? Formula for that. Okay, alpha value we know, beta value we know. Add both of them here. 3 plus 4i plus beta value 3 minus 4i equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a we have to take it from the equation. Minus b means x coefficient. X coefficient is p. A means x square coefficient is x square. There is no coefficient means 1. 1 is presenting there. So instead of a, we can write 1. Minus p by 1 means minus p only. Now plus 4i minus 4i cancel. 3 plus 3, 6. So minus p value 6. Obviously p value will be minus 6. So we have the options, 2 options. Third option, fourth option. 2 chances. Okay. Next we have to find q also. Sum of roots we got p value. Apply product of roots. Product of roots is equals to c by a. Product means multiplication. 3 plus 4i into 3 minus 4i. Both complex numbers equals to c value is q. Same like again a value 1. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b format. Algebraic identities you learn, right? A plus b into a minus b. Same numbers, symbols only difference. So this is in the form of, here I am writing a plus b into a minus b, nothing but a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b form L, a square minus b square. So a square, 3 square value 9 minus 4i whole square. Now here you should remember a bit. Q by 1 means q. Now here this square should apply for both number and the letter. 4 square 16. I square value is nothing but minus 1. So you will understand when you discuss about the complex number concept. So until then you just remember I square value is minus 1. 16. In the place of I square I can write minus 1. Then minus into minus become plus. 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. So 25 means we have fourth option. This is our answer. Okay, na? So here one point you should remember, children. So whenever if you see the quadratic equation, their roots are in the form of complex numbers. Obviously second root also will be in the form of complex only. And 3 plus 4i complex number, its another root also in the form of 3 minus 4i. Just remember that. Okay. Please note it. So q value is 25 here. Shall I go with next one? The roots of the quadratic equation, root 3 into x square plus 10x minus 8 into root 3 equals to 0 or here we should find the roots. So while I am discussing about the concept, we said I said that the finding the roots of a quadratic equation, there are 3 methods: factorization, second one completing square method, third one formula. What is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root or b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? Okay, whatever. So this equation can be solved by using the factorization method. Okay, now I am writing that root 3 x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 equal to 0. How to find the factorization? How to find the roots or roots by using the factorization method. So here first you should multiply the constant term. What is the constant term here? Minus 8 root 3. Constant term with x square coefficient. X square coefficient is root 3. Multiply both of them. Root 3 into root 3 become 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Minus also there. Okay, na? Now for 24 there are multiple factors. 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, like that will come. While you are taking the factors, when you multiply it should get minus 24. When you add the 2 roots you should get plus 10. So I am taking 2 12s are 2 12s 2 12s 24, minus 2 into plus 12 minus 24, and if you add both of them, minus 2 plus 12 is 10. That means we are splitting the middle term as root 3 x square. This 10x I am writing as 12x minus 2x. Can we write like this? 10x? 12x minus 2x is 10x only, no? By using these factors only. 12x minus 2x. Right. Minus 8 root 3 equal to 0. Next, from the first two, you can see x is the common factor as well root 3 also. So I am taking root 3x is common. Still we got remains x plus 4 root 3. Now if you have the doubt, just check it out. Minus root 3 into x. X into x square with root 3. So root 3 x square. First term came. Second term. Root 3 into root 3. 3. 3 4s 12. 12 into x 12x. Okay na? So if you multiply it should get again. Same way. We can see 2 in both of them. I am taking minus 2 as a common. Still what is remaining here? X. Here 4 root 3. Okay na? Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus into plus minus 2 4s 8 root 3. Now x plus 4 root 3 common. Here what is remaining? Root 3x minus 2. Both were equal to 0. So x plus 4 root 3 equal to 0, then x value minus 4 root 3. Because plus 4 root 3 transform that side gives minus 4 root 3. And this one, root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Root 3x is equal to minus 2 transpose that side becomes plus 2. And x is equal to 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 one answer, minus 4 root 3 second answer. 2 by root 3 and minus 4 root 3 here. 2 by root 3 minus 4 root 3, both options. Please note it. Or else you can use the formula. Any doubts? Ninth question. 3 plus I is the root of the equation. Again, 3 plus I means what type of numbers? Complex numbers. Okay. What is its another root? 3 minus I. Okay na? So same like this problem. Same like 7th problem. So try. You try that one. Next, coming to multiple choice questions. First, if one root of the equation is 5x square plus 13x plus 2k equals to 0 and is reciprocal to each other. So, do you remember the reciprocal, right? Another name of reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. That means we are taking, for example, 2 by 3 if you have, its reciprocal will be 3 by 2. That means the position of the numerator and denominator will be changes. When you multiply these two numbers, will give the answer 1. When you multiply these two, will give you the answer 1. So reciprocal is nothing but just change the positions of numerator and denominator. Numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. That's it. Okay, right. Now, according to this, one root is reciprocal of other root. One root is reciprocal of other root. We don't know the both roots. Let us take first root is alpha. What is its reciprocal? 1 by alpha. Alpha is nothing but alpha by 1. When you take the reciprocal, means its reverse, it will give 1 by alpha. Okay? These are the given roots because reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal means we should take like this. Okay. Now, the unknown value k is in the place of constant. So, according to the concept of quadratic equation, if you know the two roots, we are applying sum of roots to product of roots. Sum of roots formula b by a. There is no involvement of constant term. Product of roots, yes, there is involvement of constant term, nothing but c by a formula. So, product of roots. So, I am taking product of roots. Alpha into beta, nothing but first root multiply with second root. Formula what? C by a. Product of roots is c by a. So, numerator alpha, denominator alpha cancel here, 1 is remaining. C value is nothing but constant. Constant is 2k. A value, x square coefficient 5. Now, 5 is dividing this side, transpose. It is multiply. 5 multiply with 1. 5 ones are 5. Equals to 2k and k equals to 5 by 2. Done. First option. Third, roots of the equation differ by 1. Roots of the equation is differ by 1. Then the condition is. For example, I am taking one of the root alpha. Can we take second root as alpha plus 1? If it is 5, if alpha value, think just alpha value is 5, then alpha plus 1 value 6. So, difference is 1 only, no? The roots difference between them is 1. So, we can consider alpha and alpha plus 1. Okay, no? According to that, sum of roots, sum we are taking, first root plus second root gives the answer. Sum of roots formula what? Minus b by a, minus p by 1. So, minus p value is 2 alpha plus 1. Okay, na? Next, product alpha into alpha plus 1. Product of roots is equals to c by a. C value what? Q. Q by 1 means Q only. Okay, na? But yeah, 1 second. Instead of taking this, we can use one more formula that will give you the easy answer. Difference, you know, right? What is the difference formula? Alpha plus beta is b by a. Alpha minus beta also there. We have one more chance for getting easy answer, right? Difference of roots differ by 1. So, alpha minus beta value 1. But what is the formula for alpha minus beta? We discussed, no? Symmetric form. Root over b square minus 4ac by modulus of a or a. Modulus of a or a, anything. That is equal to 1. So, within 2 steps it will complete. So, root over b square value how much? B value is nothing but p. So, p square minus 4. A value 1 and c value is q. By modulus of a means 1 only. That is equals to 1. So, denominator 1 is there or not? The numerator will not be affected. We can remove directly. So, root over p square minus 4q is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So will be p square minus 4q. 1 square is nothing but 1 only. 1 square is nothing but 1 only. So transpose that side. So p square is equal to minus 4q transpose will give you the plus 4q. It is already plus 1. So p square is equals to 4q plus 1. Okay, na? Difference, why I am taking 1? It is already given that differ by 1. So difference means first root alpha, second root beta. Difference means subtraction, alpha minus beta is equal to 1. We know the formula for that, root over b square minus 4ac by modulus of a. That value 1. So substitution, simplification, finished. Yeah. Next question. 8 plus I, again complex number came. What is the second root? 8 minus I. Can you try this one? Same like third time it is coming. Same problem. Yeah. I am leaving for you. You have to do it. Next. Question number 5. 1 minus p is root of the quadratic equation. This quadratic equation. Then the roots are. Now, what is the first root? Alpha is 1 minus p. We don't know the second root. Okay, na? What is the given quadratic equation? X square plus px plus 1 minus p equal to 0. But here children, the one of the root is given in the terms of p. Here also p is given. So simply root is not, what is the root? Root or solution? If you substitute the value, the root value in the given quadratic equation gives the answer 0. You can directly substitute. Or else we can use sum of roots, product of roots format. Okay, no? Yeah. Now sum of roots I am taking. Another root is beta. Yeah. Sum of roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Alpha is nothing but 1 minus p. Beta we don't know. That is equals to minus b value is p and a value is 1. So from this I can find the beta value. Minus p like that only. Now transpose 1 minus p that side. So plus 1 becomes minus 1. Minus b becomes plus p. Plus p minus p cancelled. So beta value minus 1. We got one of the answer. So minus 1 we have the chance. Second one and fourth one. Two chances are there. So we have to find second root also. Means alpha value also. Sum of roots completed. We use product of roots. Alpha into beta. C by a condition. Alpha value is nothing but 1 minus p. Beta value now only we found minus 1. That is equal to C by a. C value what? 1 minus p. Here C is nothing but constant term. No? 1 minus p by 1. Simplify this. Minus 1, we have to multiply with minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus p plus p. That is equal to 1 minus p. Transpose variables one side, numbers one side. Minus p transpose this side plus p. P plus p becomes 2p. And minus 1 transpose that side plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2p value is 2. P value is 1. But we should not take p value. Alpha means what? 1 minus p. Alpha means what? 1 minus p. Now substitute 1 minus p value 1. 1 minus 1 0. So alpha value 0, beta value minus 1. Our answer. Oh, sorry. Two p value 2, p value 1. Here only this should be change the options 0 comma minus 1. This is our answer. Okay na? Just change the option as 0 and minus 1. Okay. One second. No need to find, yeah. 1 minus p is the one of the root. So 1 minus p value we got 0, right? This option only you change it as 0 and minus 1. Okay na? Right. So that's it for today, children.